Good morning, everyone. Today, I stand before you to share a thought-provoking morning assembly presentation. Our morning assemblies are not just routine gatherings but valuable opportunities to come together as a school community and gain inspiration from each other. Today's theme revolves around the power of small acts. We often hear about the significance of grand gestures and big achievements, but let's not forget that small acts can make a substantial impact as well. Kindness, first and foremost, let's talk about the power of kindness. A simple smile, a thoughtful compliment, or holding the door for someone can brighten their day. Kindness is contagious and can create a chain reaction of positive energy. Gratitude, let's take a moment to appreciate the little things we often take for granted. Expressing gratitude not only helps us develop a positive outlook but also fosters a sense of empathy towards others. Environmental consciousness, every little step towards protecting the environment counts. Encouraging everyone to use reusable water bottles, recycle paper, and turn off lights when not in use may seem small, but collectively, it can significantly impact our planet. Acts of inclusion, embracing diversity and promoting inclusivity starts with small acts. Reach out to someone new, be open-minded, and stand up against any form of discrimination or bullying. Helping hand, offering assistance to someone in need, whether it's a classmate struggling with their studies or a friend going through a tough time, can make a significant difference in their lives. Learning from failures, small setbacks are a part of life. Instead of being disheartened, let's see them as opportunities to grow, learn, and improve. Random acts of kindness. Surprise someone with a random act of kindness. Leave an encouraging note, buy a coffee for a colleague, or simply lend a listening ear to someone who needs it. Punctuality, being on time may seem trivial, but it shows respect for others' time and helps build a reliable and responsible community. Positive words, use words of encouragement and support. A simple, "you can do it," or "great job," can boost someone's confidence and motivation. Sharing knowledge, share your knowledge and skills with others. Help a struggling classmate understand a concept, teach a friend a new hobby, or share insightful information during discussions. In conclusion, remember that every small act matters. They have the potential to create ripples of positive change in our school, our community, and the world at large. Let's make a conscious effort to embrace the power of small acts in our daily lives and inspire others to do the same. Thank you for your attention, and have a wonderful day ahead.